The mortal remains of the first president of Civil Society Women's Organization CSWO, Ireen Patricia Hujon, who passed away at Woodland Hospital in Shillong on the 5th November, were laid to rest at the Church of North East India, All Saints Cathedral, Bishnupur in Shillong today amidst tearful mourners. She passed away at the age of 68 and left behind 3 daughters and grandchildren. When the news broke out about her demise, large number of people and sympathizers rushed to her house at Oxford Hill locality in Bishnupur area of Shillong to condole the bereaved family members. Late Hujon is known as prominent social activist who championed for the cause of the women. Late Ireen Patricia Hujon came to the limelight when she actively participated in opposing the shifting of the headquarters of the Meghalaya Board of School Education from Shillong to Tura. Her organization strongly protested the recruitment results of one of the Meghalaya police battalions. She unsuccessfully contested the Laban constituency assembly election in 2008. Speaking to the media, her relatives informed that she slowed down her social activities when her leg got fractured. They also said that her ailment did not deter Ireen Patricia to extend her help to the poor and the downtrodden, irrespective of caste, creed or religion.
Me will come to me, and anyone who comes to me I will never drive away. And this is the will of him who sent me, that I should lose nothing of all that he has given me, but raise it up on the last day. This is indeed the will of my Father, that all who see the Son and believe in him may have eternal life, and I will raise them up on the last day. And his righteousness to children's children.